So for today's video, we're going to go ahead and install the Camaro Wickerbill on a Camaro 2021 LT1, part number VZ102188. Installation should be fairly easy. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. We'll go ahead and see that. For this installation, we're going to go ahead and need a rivet nut tool, a drill bit, one that is the size of the rivet nut, one that is half a size, and a Allen key, masking tape, a towel, and a marker or pen. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wipe down the spoiler real quick. That way we could go ahead and apply the masking tape to mark some holes for the Wickerbill. Now we're going to go ahead and mark the holes for the Wickerbill onto the yellow masking tape. We're going to use the curve of the car to guide me to the middle. And then let's make sure the ends are in there. Hold it there. In this case, for this video, I had two buddies of mine help me do this way faster. But you could always use some masking tape to hold it in place while you mark your holes. Just make sure you hold it sturdy. Sorry. That's it. Go ahead and take off the protection off the Wickerbill. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wipe it down, make sure it's nicely clean. And you also repeat the same process on the other side of the Wickerbill. Now that you have marked your holes, we're gonna go ahead and start drilling with the smaller drill bit right in the center. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the bigger drill. After you drill your holes, you're going to go ahead and take off the yellow masking tape. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our Vicrez rivet nut tool, VZT109. You'll go ahead and screw in the rivet nut into your tool. And let's go. Align your Wickerbill with your clear piece. Let's start from the middle. You'll get a washer and the nut. Guys, we have finally completed the installation of the Wickerbill on the Camaro. It looks like Vicrez will be maybe, exchanging the C8 for a Camaro now. Next project car. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave comments below, good or bad, you already know. We like to hear it all. Make sure to join our Facebook groups. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, give us a call, email us, whatnot. We'll go ahead and see you the next time.
Thank you.